Hello everyone, this is Motivational Mamta and I welcome you all to our English language channel English for Success by Mamta Sharma. And in today's video, we are going to talk about all the important aspects related to a GD, also known as group discussion. Let's imagine Rahul, who is an MBA student. Rahul is feeling nervous about participating in a group discussion because he is not confident in English speaking skills. You also have problems in English speaking skills like Rahul. This video is for you. So today we will be talking about all the nitty-gritty of group discussion. I will be sharing a few simple acronyms that will help you to remember how to prepare for a GD. So now let me tell you what a group discussion or GD is. A group discussion or GD conducted during a recruitment process is an interactive exercise where a group of students is brought together to discuss a topic or case. The aim of this activity is to assess not just what you speak, but how you speak and how well you interact with the other members of the group. So today I will be sharing a few simple hacks, a few acronyms that will help you to remember what your recruiting manager expects from you when you are participating in a GD and how to ace it. The recruiters conduct GDs or group discussions to assess or evaluate the skills that are not always visible on your resume or during one-on-one interview. To make it easier for you, here is a breakdown using simple acronyms to remember the skills assessed during a GD. So the first acronym related to key skills assessed in a GD is CLEAR, clear. Now let me explain it to you. C stands for communication skills. Are you able to express your points clearly and concisely? Do you listen to people or the other participants in your group? Tip for you is speak clearly and concisely. No repetition. Listen to others before responding to them. So L stands for leadership potential. Can you take initiative and steer the group positively without dominating it? Tip for you is, if you see a pause, step in with some question or suggestion. But please make sure that your question or suggestion is relevant to the topic. E stands for emotional intelligence. How well you handle disagreements. Can you stay calm under pressure? Tip for you is keep your tone friendly, respect others' opinions and smile, because a smile can go a long way. A stands for assertiveness and confidence. Are you confident in presenting your views while remaining respectful of others? Tip for you is maintain a good posture and eye contact. Express your ideas with conviction, but don't be aggressive. Focus on adding more value rather than speaking more. I'm going to share a new acronym which will help you to understand how a GD is conducted. And this acronym is STEP. S is setup. A group of students, usually 6 to 12, is given a topic to discuss. The topic may range from current affairs, business trend to abstract topics or case studies. T is the task. The discussion usually lasts 15 to 30 minutes depending on your recruiting manager. Okay, it's all up to him or her. The goal is to engage meaningfully, not necessarily reach the conclusion. E is evaluation. A panel evaluates how each participant communicates, collaborates, and contributes to the discussion. Review common topics and prepare them beforehand. Stay updated on trending topics or current affairs. Keep practicing in a group to build your confidence. Now the question arises, how many topics we should prepare, because it is not possible for any of us to prepare all the topics. To solve this problem, I'm sharing a new acronym, which is TOPIC. Yes, you heard me right. T stands for trending issues. For example, the impact of AI on employment. During this discussion on impact of AI on employment, you can focus on current developments and implications. O, which stands for organizational and business topic. The example is, should cryptocurrency be regulated? You should be able to understand economy and business impact. आसान नहीं होगा. You will have to study a lot. But if you want a better career, you will have to work harder. So the next type of topic may be based on people and society. The example may be, is work-life balance achievable? So while discussing this topic, you should speak about the pressure or stress employees are going through and why they are not able to do their best in their work or personal or professional life. How they can become more productive. I is innovative and abstract ideas. For example, success is a journey, not a destination. The last one is C, which stands for case studies. So let me share one example with you. How should a company respond to a data breach? We should know what our recruiters look for in a candidate. So for this, I am going to share a new acronym, which is PLAN, plan. P stands for presentation. How clearly you present or express your ideas. What kinds of problems you face while speaking. Sometimes it is not because of language we fumble. It is because of our lack of ideas or lack of knowledge that makes us more restless. So I would like you to prepare it beforehand. Okay? Learn how to present your ideas in a crisp way, in a precise way. Do you listen to people? Because this is also very important, as the next letter in our acronym is L. So L stands for listening attentively. So many times we are enthusiastic and we want to say so many things. We want to express our ideas and we are reluctant to listen to other participants. But this has a bad impact, or you can say a negative impact on our recruiting manager. So I would like you all to listen to the other participants attentively. Sometimes we don't know much about the topic, but when we listen to other participants, we get lots of ideas, and this can help us to speak concisely and correctly. So listening to others plays a crucial role in a GD or group discussion. So N stands for neutral demeanor. Demeanor is behavior. So do you remain confident, professional and polite till the end? Please don't cut short anyone. I mean, when somebody is speaking, don't intervene or don't jump in. Okay? So it's very important to behave in a professional way. So I hope this video will help you to understand what a GD is, how it is conducted, why it is conducted, and how well you can prepare by keeping these acronyms in your mind. So remember that GD or group discussion gives you an opportunity to showcase your skill. Prepare well. If you have any problem, get back to me. I'm there to help you. Keep learning, keep smiling, and don't forget to share your feedback with me. Take care. Bye-bye.